Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. First up, the most accessible method for almost anyone. Freelance content creation. Think about it. Here's the step-by-step process. First, create a profile on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn. You'll start by using ChatGPT for research. Method number 2 is creating and selling digital products. This is my personal favorite because of its passive income potential. Here's the plan. Step 1. Ideation. Once your ebook is written, you can use a simple tool like Canva to design a professional-looking cover and format the interior. Alright? Moving on to our third method. Offering AI-powered social media management services. Here's your action plan. First, define your service package. Now, here's how ChatGPT supercharges your workflow. Method 4 is a bit more technical, but it has massive potential. Building and monetizing niche websites. Here's the step-by-step. First, niche selection. This is crucial. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm. Then comes the content creation marathon. You can use ChatGPT to help you outline and draft dozens of articles. Finally, our fifth method. Providing translation and localization services. This is where you come in, especially if you're bilingual or multilingual. Your workflow would look like this. A client gives you a document, maybe a marketing brochure, to translate from English to Spanish. So there you have 85 concrete step-by-step methods to start earning money online with ChatGPT. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring.